Okay, everyone. I just went ahead and did the measurements for the board to put on the deck. I mean, I measured everything out and it seems about right. But the top part here, the top line right here, looks longer than the other one. It could just be the way I'm looking at it, but hopefully that is right. Chalked out the line, did all the measurements. I did it down on a piece of paper. It looks like a bunch of scribbles, but hopefully that'd be good. I did. This would be the left side of the boat if you're looking at it from this way. So when you put the board on, because I'm actually using this side of the board, it looks way better. So I'm gonna go grab my buddy and we're gonna put that on there and see if it fits. If it doesn't fit, then I guess my measurements would be wrong. Yeah, we're on the way to get my buddy now, and gotta run down to the shop, my uncle's shop, and I gotta get some air because I ain't got no quarters or anything on me to put air in my tire. That's the next thing I need to get. I need to get some tires for this thing. I want to put some like mud tires on the back. Cause I took turned it into a full drive, or not full drive, but two-wheel drive, because the front differential was messed up and then the full drive was messed up. So I took the drive shaft out for the full drive and took the front two axles out. So if I can at least put some knobbier tires on the back, since I'm going to be hauling the boat on this and stuff, that way I can get extra grip, because I wouldn't want to get stuck pulling down, and like, because most of the creeks I go to, they ain't got no boat docks or anything like that, so I would have to pull down in the creek a little bit. And yeah,
we also got a car too.
We're gonna head on down there to my uncle's shop, see if I can get some air, and we go from there. I will be doing a video on some hydro dipping too. My uncle's starting to do hydro dipping down there at the shop, and he's been doing a lot of stuff. If anyone's interested in hydro dipping, I can put his description down below on his Facebook page. It's actually it's his body shop, but I mean, he does body work and stuff there, and then he does the hydro dipping on the side. So we'll just head there right now, and we'll see y'all soon on getting everything done. Okay, everyone, we made it here to my uncle's shop, and we're gonna put some air in this tire real quick, and we'll be on our way. So a little bit low, but you know, I like to be on the safe side. So hopefully we can get this on, get it on the move. I like this one. It's got the digital on it. It's pretty sweet. Okay, and probably this weekend I'm probably gonna end up doing a video on my uncle's shop doing hydro dipping. So hopefully we can get that going too. That'd be pretty sweet, just to see how he does it in his little setup. So y'all just stay tuned for more. Okay, everyone. Went and picked up a buddy of mine, and then I didn't record any of the measurements or anything like that. So we're gonna screw this platform down. I mean, it's not the greatest. There is gaps in it. I used the Sawzall to do it, and I cut in the side of the boat a little bit, and I mean, I can always fill that gap in. I mean, I'll show you what I'm talking about with this gap. That's the gap on the left side. So we're gonna get this screwed down. Y'all can sit here and watch, and I'm gonna set the phone up, and we're gonna get it screwed down. Figure out how to prop this up a little bit. Jonathan, put a screw in this gas can right here. Right here. I ain't using the gas can. All right, we're Gucci. Playing the guessing game, huh? Very much. Picked up these Hyper Tough. Came with the Sawzall impact drill, and they came with just a regular drill. They're pretty good. I was wanting to get the Harp one, but those things are. Never hit it up. Let's see here. Well, we know there's one here.
I'm turning my guessing games off.
Your guessing game's off?
Yep, my guessing game is off. Yep, my guessing game is off.
I think there was something in my monster. So just look at it this way. We know there's a board that goes. You got that pencil? We know there's a board here. This is dead center of the board. We know there's a board here. Board's right here. So what I did is I took it,
It's sinking right
Put
through
it-
the fucking board.
look.
This, so.
here, grab that tape measure. See the two screws?
Yep.
Put this in the middle of it.
Trying to.
Go all the way over with it, and just lift that corner up to be able to tell where the board is over there.
Already over the board is right here. It's right there.
And then we'll just mark the line. little bit of a line there, so. No, I'm busy. I drilled into my gas tank to hold my phone up. Would you look at that? Hitting it every time. Look, that ripped me off. Look at that short ass screw. I actually screwed it myself. Oh, I missed it. My line didn't hit. Oh, got it. Missed it again. Hit it. At least I think I did.
Yeah, I mean, it's getting over it.
Okay, the one in the center is gonna be.
Run it down the center. Want to run a line down the center?
Well, I can get one marked on this side. So I'm gonna say there.
Would you look at that? First time.
And then center ones. Right on the side of it. So let's follow that. Or you could put a tape measure from there to there. You got to be sure, Jonathan. Now, we got that, but I mean, we did put boards across, but I don't think that'll matter. Yeah, that's up a little bit.
I was thinking we could have cut a little chunk out of the board and drop it down some.
It's not going to be perfect, so. All right, need some more ideas. Got the platform down. Might go in town and get the generator. That's $120 something, $140 at Harbor Freight. It's going to be, I think it's like a 900 watt. I don't know what lights I'm doing yet. I know I want to build something on it, or either I got a 540 watt light bar on my Trailblazer, and it puts out a lot of light. So, and I think it's a 42 inch. So I might just put a light bar. What we got here, guys, is we got back from Lowell's, and we picked up this stuff right here, and then these things here we're gonna screw to the platform, and then put the piping down in there, and then we got those three up front and that one in the back over here, and then we're taking, he's setting those up. There's caps on those, and those are going to be setting right in here in between the lights. So we're going to get this set up. I don't want to bore y'all about it, but I will explain how we did it whenever we get done. Here it is, everyone. We got the rails up. This is the finish of the rails. What we did was in the front,
this piece, I believe it'd be the 45. We should have got another one of those, so we just had to put the melt a smaller piece that was out of this and put in here and to put in the pipe there. And then for extra structure, I went ahead and put, it's I guess it'd be, I don't know what it's called, but it's like a little weight thing, I guess. I don't know. You screw that PVC pipe into that. It's got 4 holes that it'll screw it down. And then we ran this up to here, actually cut threads off of this piece. And then these pieces here are actually what's on the side that's over here. You can move those around to even the weight out, or if there's a lot of weight on it, it puts more sturdiness to it. So we end up cutting pieces from here to here into that, what would it be, the 9 or 40. And then we put these, what is that 5 places. So 2 in the back, and then we put elbows onto here. And I think it turned out pretty well. Took us a while, but we end up getting it done pretty good. So I end up ordering the lights already. So we're going to be running the 50 watt, I believe it's an IP66. They're actually going to go, one's going to go here, here, and there. And then I'm going to run one here and another one over here. So that's going to be 8 lights all together. And then we're basically just going to run the wiring. It's either I'm going to run it along the PVC pipe, and then I'm probably going to put that noodle stuff around all the piping, and then run the electrical down to here. And then I'm actually going to get one of these things that I got hanging up here, and I'm going to put it, I'm probably going to put it like right here, and then run a cord back to here to, I don't know if I'm going to put the generator here or back there. I still got to get it, but hopefully everything turns out pretty good. So this is where I'm going to end the video. So y'all just stay motivated and be safe, and we'll see you on the next video.